This is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this smartphone. So in the beginning, you can very quickly change the exposure by tapping anywhere at the viewfinder, and then once the sun icon appears, drag it to the bottom if you would like to make your photo dimmer, or vice versa, upwards if you would like to increase the exposure. Then you can also, another small, very tiny tip is that you can enable the HDR photo. So open the photo mode options here and enable the auto HDR. Now let's explore what available camera modes we have here. So you have, for example, the Camera Pro mode, which gives you an ability to manually adjust ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, focus, and white balance. So if you would like to gain more manual control, or just generally gain more control over the pictures that you create, Camera Pro mode will definitely help you with that. Or perhaps you are not satisfied with how those parameters are being automatically treated by the camera and set by it, so you would like to, change them or make them different. So I guess those people will definitely find this mode useful. Then if we'll go into the more section of modes, you'll find the high res mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is the high resolution photo mode. So let's go ahead and take two pictures, one in the regular photo mode and one in the high res mode, and then we will directly compare those photos. So both pictures have been taken successfully. So this one is regular photo mode. You can see the level of details that it has and how far I can zoom in. Actually, the quality of this picture is pretty decent, as you can see. The whites are white, the greens are adequately green, and the details are also here, so looks great. But the high res mode looks even greater. You can clearly see that it retains way more details. I can zoom in way further, and just generally the photo looks like it has superior quality. And it is being obviously achieved by the fact that this photo has been taken with more amount of megapixels, so it has higher or increased resolution dimensions. So let's compare them. So the regular photo mode gets you 3 by 4K dimensions or resolution, and its file size is 2 megabytes. When it comes to the high res mode, if we'll go into the details, you'll see that it's 6K by 9K, so 6K by 8K, and occupies significantly more storage space, so 7.8 megabytes. Now let's explore the camera settings and what we can do here. For example, if you will select the general watermark and enable it, you will be able to add a custom text to your watermark, so you can remove everything but your custom text, and this way you can apply your watermark, your custom watermark, your name, your nickname, or whatever it is that you would like to apply, without having to add those annoying generic OnePlus or diamond date stamp watermarks, or shot on OnePlus, whatever. Here you can also enable another very cool feature, that is QR code scanning, and once active, it will make it so that your camera will automatically detect and process QR codes. So you will not need to open Google Lens and go an additional unnecessary step there, or you will not need to get any third-party QR code scanners. Just use your default camera app for that. And another interesting thing you may have missed are the additional shooting modes, so the tap to capture and show palm. So those preview images or preview animations show how they work pretty clearly. So the tap to capture just makes it so that you can tap literally anywhere inside the viewfinder and the picture will be taken, as you can see. The show palm works only with the selfie camera, so here you will need to show your palm to the camera, and once it will recognize your palm and will detect it properly, it will start a 3 or 5 second timer. To be honest with you, I do not remember an exact delay that it sets. But here this feature works Oh, actually, it did recognize my palm, so great. It actually works because on many phones, from my experience, it is not very stable. It requires for you to be very far away from your phone in order for this shooting method or capture method to work. But this OnePlus actually recognizes my palm pretty quickly and somewhat reliably. So as you can see, it works great. So as far as this video goes, that will be everything that I wanted to show you guys. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.